Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the pencil model because how you power and pair it differs. Once you know the generation, charge it briefly so the device has enough power to pair. Gen 1 plugs into Lightning, Gen 2 snaps to the iPad magnetically. Make sure iPad Bluetooth is on and that you're near the iPad, within a few feet, because pairing uses Bluetooth low energy. Now, proceed to the first active step. Either plug the pencil into the iPad or attach it to the side so the system can detect and present the pairing prompt. Once the pencil is charging and Bluetooth is active, pair it. Gen 1 by plugging into the iPad's Lightning port and tapping pair. Gen 2 by attaching magnetically and confirming the on-screen prompt. After pairing, open Notes or a drawing app to test pressure sensitivity, tilt recognition, and latency so you know it's working as expected. If you want custom behavior, go to Settings, right arrow Apple Pencil, and set double tap actions or tool switching. Make sure to try writing at different angles so you confirm palm rejection. You're now ready to use the Apple Pencil for drawing, annotating, or taking notes. Keep it attached when not in use. Gen 2 magnetically, Gen 1 with cap secure so it stays charged and ready. If strokes skip or feel wrong, replace the tip, unscrew the nib, and install a new one for consistent contact. If something fails, the key troubleshooting steps are to check battery level, toggle Bluetooth, restart the iPad, and if needed, forget the pencil in Bluetooth settings and repair it. That usually fixes connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.